Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're playing Tornado Alley and I'm just gonna, casually connect this. Oh my god. Update guys, I made to talk with this boy. Shout out to him. Lol. Man, be careful. If you jump down there, you're paralyzed. Let's sing this one. Oh my god, he just went down. You get good, dude? So here's our tornadoes forming right now. Do you guys think we're gonna survive in here? Oh god. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, the tornado is getting so close. I died! Are you kidding? An update and are you kidding? No! Oh my, are you kidding me? Oh my god, same, bruh. They're all after me. Oh, Chad, bruh. There goes my sister. No, don't fracture me. Life depends on it. I'm my sweetest snatch. Oh, frick, are you kidding? Like, less talking, more running, surviving. No, I'm getting sucked in the waters. Sucked in the waters. Yo, Chad, I'm dead. These tornadoes are hard. I'm surrounded, guys, and this is, oh my god. Okay, what is my stupid here? I'm gonna go. Why not? Oh my god, the light. Ah! No! Whoa! Wow, I landed on my feet. My weave snatched again. Not another. Are you kidding? I just survived a full-blown concussion of a tornado, and now there's a freaking hurricane. Like, spare me the blame. It's getting really... forgot the word. Oh my god, it's a category 4. Please don't die. I'm just gonna stay here. Y'all guys, don't mind my butt, but like, let's just hope it's not. What's happening? It's flooding! What the... I'll update if anything new happens. I'm just gonna try to survive right now. Update, I died. Bruh. Tripping, falling with no safety net. Woo! Bruh, 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 bruh. Should I buy cheeseburger? I'm bored. Yo, the song is so happy, but then like, what's actually gonna happen is not. So guys, I'm gonna stay in this house. And here it goes. Formed right in front of me. Oh my god, I'm getting sucked already. Oh!